Welcome to Host! This is our new channel where we destroy things with a pressure washer
And maybe a flamethrower. Let's find out.
I don't know yet.
So today, the first video for this channel, we're gonna be taking a DJI drone up against a pressure washer.
Ooga booga! Alright guys, so this is the drone we are going to be taking that guy up against. So for this to have a chance of survival, it's already coming apart. We're gonna duct tape it, try to waterproof it. If it survives that, all bets are off. Taking the duct tape off and we're just gonna go full send. So here goes nothing.
The question is, where is the duct tape? Probably in the Jeep. On a side note, it is very windy today here in Texas. It's like what, 20-mile-an-hour gust, something like that? Very windy, so this will be even more interesting when you add in the wind to the equation.
Let's see if this works.
So we don't have duct tape, we have electrical tape.
We're always so ill prepared.
100%. So this drone was actually disassembled. It does work fine though. You probably noticed that the shell is separated. So that's step one, which...
Yeah, so we gotta seal that up because if we don't, then obviously as soon as we fire the pressure washer at it, it's just gonna go right into the main board of this, and then we have no drone and no footage. No chance of survival, so hopefully good old electrical tape seal it up. Right. One side almost sealed up, kind of. I've got it sealed up for the most part. As you can see, pretty much the entire perimeter of it is electrical tape because the case was falling apart. So hopefully my engineering, maybe?
Yeah.
Keeps this thing safe and we can fly it. And so far, let's see if this thing's waterproofed and can take the pressure of what, 1800 PSI? Yeah,
So
1800 PSI, straight to this. GoPro, let's get it. All right, so we're running out of daylight. As you can see, we've got this thing all waterproofed, ready to go. We got everything set up, pressure washer's working. And now we are about to take off and see if it can withstand a nice little jet stream.
Let's do it. 3, 2,
1.
So we just realized that the GPS module on the drone was actually disconnected, so we had to take it back apart and reconnect that module. So now we're retaping it and we should be good.
And we're racing the sun.
Yes. The sun's going down way too early, so welcome to winter time.
Oh. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Drone! Should we try a straight jet?
All right, yeah.
Straight jet. 3, 2, 1. I'm making it fly, dude! Oh, it's not happening. This is nuts, dude. Oh, it's going. Oh, we've downed the drone. It's still going.
It's still going.
Like I thought we just downed it, and it's back up. Is it bad to hit him when he's down?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
that was crazy.
It just took all of that.
Yeah.
And it's fine. Like the lights are still blinking, still flying. We made it go up in altitude, but we couldn't down it.
No.
Dude, that is nuts. Woo!
All right, let's check out the carnage. We had to put the drone in the sink. It's been sitting here for about an hour now, just kind of drying out. But we're about to see how much water.
It's still dripping.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that. It's still wet, obviously.
Oh my gosh.
I'm curious how much water is on the inside of it.
I don't know, I feel like we're gonna break it more if we open it. Oh, dude, the tape's not even,
The tape's not even sticky. The tape's not even sticky anymore.
Oh my gosh. Drop a like or comment right now if you think it survived, because if it did, we're gonna hit it with not a flamethrower.
Jeez. All right, let's see. All right, here we go.
It's okay, kind of.
Surprisingly dry.
It's a little moist right here on the board, but for the most part, I think our tape worked.
Yeah, it did.
Like, there's no puddles of water anywhere, like even underneath. There's no pooling of water. And like the inside of the case is soaked. You can feel the water just running off of it.
Yeah.
But the board itself looks okay. The motors look fine. No water got into there. I think it did okay.
We'd like to test it without the tape. It's dark outside and it was getting dark very fast.
So we decided not a flamethrower would be better. Elon, if you would like to donate one, send it our way. We'll shoot you the address. Dude, I think flamethrower's next. Water couldn't kill it.
Pretty good. Woo! All right, guys, that has been the first episode of Hosed.
Successful episode of Host. We promised to bring you more destruction. We couldn't break it with water, so we're gonna light it on fire instead. Subscribe for that.
So hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss. Probably not trying to. We're probably going to destroy the drone with a flamethrower.
We're gonna melt it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.